Hello everyone. Welcome back to Silent Infotech. Are you tired of manually tracking requisition requests and also maintaining the communication with people included? Then this module is perfect for you. Introducing the Inventory Requisition module. This module lets you automate the process of requisition, and it provides an efficient system for managing stock requisitions within a warehouse or company. It allows users to create, track, and process stock requisitions that are linked to various sales orders, invoices, point of sale, POS, orders, and stock pickings. Let's get started. First, install the module from Odoo apps. Search for Inventory Requisition and install the module. Here we have already installed the module. Now let's go to the inventory. Locate the operation and find Inventory Requisition. In this, you can find records of inventory requisition and create a new record. In this, you can find multiple options to customize, like schedule date, type of sales order like sales order, invoices, POS orders, and pickings, and select the sale order. Once you have selected the sale order, corresponding records will appear. So this will create a stock requisition for the product. Open the Other Info tab to select the person responsible for the requisition and save it. In this way, the responsible person will be notified. The responsible person can receive a requisition by clicking the Send Requisition button. The person will receive an email like this. By clicking on Receive, as you can see, the status is changed to Receive here. Now let's see how to create a transfer. The responsible person will create it. The system will trigger an error if the source location is not selected. Select the operation from receipts, delivery orders, manufacturing or POS orders, and other info is automatically fetched. Now click on Create Transfer. Here the inventory requisition is done as displayed in the status. You can also check the transfer created. And check records, mark them as to do or validate it. This is how this module makes managing requisition requests easy. Thank you for watching this video.